Tell me about this one. This is one of my favorite sketches.
I just remember growing up playing Pac-Man, and when we're working with our clients, we're talking about like there's 3 barbarians that are coming to attack what we call your castle, everything that you own. And those 3 barbarians are taxes, healthcare, and your own behavior. So I just turned those barbarians into the ghosts that are in the Pac-Man game. I turned Pac-Man into the client persona, and the fruits that you're trying to go around and chase is kind of that coordination of a really developed financial plan with kind of that final fruit, so to speak, before the exit is the financial planning heart. It's just the beauty of the game, right? You're going as fast as you can, but you know those ghosts are chasing you. And if you slip up or make a wrong turn, you know, taxes are going to get you. Healthcare is going to get you. Your own behavior. Exactly. Your own behavior is going to crush you. Game over.
Yeah. Tax planning, investment management, employee benefits, financial planning, estate planning, and insurance planning. I love that. That is really cool.